I study but forget in the exams. I put in a lot of effort, but then I don't see the results in the exams. I tend to not write the answers because I'm not able to recall. This is a problem that a lot of students face. A lot of students ask me, so why do I forget in the exams? Now, to understand this, you need to understand a concept called illusion of learning, illusion of mastery. Now, what does that mean? You see, once you, let's say, have a book like this is my doctoral thesis, right? So you go through this. Let's say you want to take a test based on this book. So what happens is you keep studying and studying and studying and studying because you are repeatedly studying that particular subject, or maybe even attending classes regarding that subject. Somewhere we end up, our brain starts to believe that you know the subject matter, right? Your brain starts to believe, it starts to create an illusion that you know the answer. All right. Now, when you go to the exam and you forget the answer and you're not able to write it, or maybe you're not able to explain it, the moment that happens, you need to know that you are trapped. Trapped is the word, by this concept called illusion of learning or illusion of mastery. That means you only think you know, but in reality, you only recognize the answers. That means to say, you look at the book, you look at the subtitle, and you go, oh man, I know this. You look at the diagram, oh, I know this. You know, what you're actually saying is, I recognize this because I have studied this several times. I recognize this because I've attended the classes. Now, if you truly know it, you got to test it. If you truly know it, you got to test it. How? You need to take mock tests, or you need to go and explain the concept to somebody else. And if you are able to explain the concepts, if you're able to write the mock tests and do well in the mock tests, that is when you can say, I truly know this concept. If you're not able to explain it to others, if you're not able to, do your mock test well, that means to say you only recognize it and you have developed a sense of illusion that you have mastered the subject. So get out of this trap. Once you think that you know it, test it immediately. And if you're not able to recall, and if you're finding it difficult, you may want to get in touch with us, get in touch with me. I help students who are doing poor crack some of the toughest exams in our country. And just not that, I also help students who are doing well in exams. I help them keep doing, I help them do well in exams, but then in half the time, right? So I teach them how to study smart instead of hard. So you may want to get in touch with us. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Talk about this idea, illusion of mastery and learning, with your friends, with your relatives. And make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And also hit the bell icon to receive the notifications whenever I upload a video that's useful to you. I'll see you. Till then, keep getting out of the trap of illusion of mastery. See you.